Clean the LED heads when image quality of your prints contain a white or light streak, blurred characters, or faded images. Open the front door of the printer and remove the waste toner box. Unlock the belt unit lock levers and pull the transfer belt unit out of the printer. Do not touch or scratch the belt surface. Set the belt unit on a clean, safe surface. Do not invert or tilt the belt unit. Remove the imaging drums. Set the drums on a clean, safe surface. Do not touch or scratch the drums. Gently wipe the surface of the LED heads with a soft, lint-free cloth. Replace the imaging drums. Replace the transfer belt unit and lock it into place. Replace the waste toner box. Finally, close the front door.